Hello everyone and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The 2025 Lexus LBX made a solid showing in its Euro NCAP crash tests with a stable passenger compartment during the frontal offset test. While dummy readings indicated good knee and femur protection, dashboard structures posed potential risks to occupants of varying sizes and seating positions, resulting in some penalties. In the full-width rigid barrier test, rear passenger head protection was rated as marginal due to forward travel in the impact. Side barrier and pole impact tests saw the LBX score maximum points, demonstrating excellent protection for all critical areas. Far side impact performance was adequate, though penalties were applied due to interference with occupant-to-occupant mitigation systems. The LBX delivered strong whiplash protection for front and rear seats. Advanced features like an e-call system and secondary impact prevention enhance its safety profile. Additionally, Lexus ensured that the car's doors remained functional during submersion, ensuring safety in extreme scenarios. Which crash test would you like to see next? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.